Hi, I'm Judy, your Get Set Up Guide, and a grandmother of six. I love creating things and sharing that passion with the kids in my life. It's so fun to show them how to create things with bits and pieces of things laying around the house, recycled items, or how they can make a holiday decoration for their whole family to enjoy. Even more, how about making a present for their mom and dad or their brother or sister? In this class, we'll explore different types of crafts and share ideas of things that you can make with children of all ages. Don't worry, you don't need to be an artist and you don't have to have a lot of supplies. Just be someone who wants to learn and explore crafting and creating with kids. So come join the class, connect with others, and think about how you might start crafting and creating with the children in your life.